Hey dog, this is fire. This from my boy, man. In your face, man. This is fire, homie. I just got it about a few days ago, probably a week ago, but I've been out of the country. I get back, go pick up my mail, and look at this, dog. Look at the detail, man. This is fire, man. This is fire. That's what's up, bro. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate this. This who did it, man. In your face art. This is a real picture, man. Look at this. It's a canvas. This is real canvas, man. Like real art. This is